Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend of Saturday until Monday, May 7 to 9, 2022. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. We are going to check the weather prior to the May 9 elections. So the good news is we are continue to be experiencing some good weather all across the country, except for some thunderstorms across Mindanao because of the easterlies, and also some areas of the Philippine Islands where the easterlies will prevail. But mostly it's warm, dry, with some chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Here's the latest graph set that we created last night. Until today, Saturday, easterlies prevailing across the Philippine Islands, and it's rather dry with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao. And we have here a extreme end of a frontal system moving away from the Batanes and Babuyan Cove Islands. So these areas will have good weather except for some passing showers and winds blowing from the northeast. We have an intertropical convergence zone across Micronesia all the way towards the Marshall Islands. So far, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone that could spoil our coming elections here in the Philippine Islands. And all the way until next week, good weather will be expected. And here's the fast animation. As you can see, it's all quiet across the Philippine Islands and the Western Pacific. The zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com detects some isolated stray thunderstorms across Mindoro and also over northern Leyte and northern Cebu. But as of now, around 2 a.m., it's now starting to dissipate. And also here along the southern portions of Zamboanga Peninsula, there are some developing thunderstorms that formed overnight and it's now starting to dissipate. And likewise here across the Cagayan area. Now let's check out our rain forecast from the European model courtesy of windy.com. On Saturday afternoon, we could expect more thunderstorms across Mindanao and some portions of the Visayas and also across Ilocos region. Sunday morning, thunderstorms will also prevail across eastern Mindanao and extending across various portions of Mindanao through Sunday afternoon. Also, there will be some chances of thunderstorms in some portions of Visayas and Palawan, and also across the southern Tagalog provinces and Ilocos region. Now, on election day, on May 9, 8 a.m., start of the election, there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across some portions of Palawan and eastern Mindanao. The rest will remain dry, so that's good. And on Monday afternoon, there will be some strong thunderstorms over Davao region and also across portions of Mindanao, Visayas, and northern Luzon, particularly Ilocos region and the mountainous areas of Cordillera and Benguet mountains. Here across the Bicol region and some portions of Luzon, there will be good weather, dry all the way. Also, some thunderstorms or isolated rain showers will be expected across Palawan. But overall, good weather will be expected in the morning and some thunderstorms in the afternoon come election day. So no weather disturbance or major weather disturbance of some sort, just the easterlies bringing some thunderstorms across Mindanao. And if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until election day, the rest of the rainfall are concentrated along the eastern sections of Mindanao and some portions of central, southern, northern, and western Mindanao, and also across Palawan and eastern portions of northern Quezon. The rest will remain scattered. The rest of the country will remain dry with some isolated rain showers. Here's the wind forecast until election day. All throughout the weekend, Sunday until Monday, the general wind direction will be from the east, or the warm easterlies will continue to prevail across the country, particularly those along the eastern sections of Luzon, and also across the Visayas, Bicol region, and Mindanao. So far, that's the latest. So we will again return on Monday, election day, to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. This coming Monday, May 9, and let's hope everything will go well on election day. Again, happy weekend to all, and see you guys on Monday. Thank you so much for watching our channel.